Hello, dear students. I'm Dr. Pratap Naikode. Welcome to your favorite channel, PVN Science Study.
Hello dear students, in this video we will study reproduction in nostoc. We will see vegetative and asexual type of the reproduction in nostoc as well as economic importance and systematic position of nostoc. Nostoc reproduces by two methods, that is vegetative and asexual reproduction. However, sexual reproduction is absent in case of nostoc. All the filaments of nostoc colony reproduce simultaneously, that is at same time. First of all, we will study vegetative reproduction of nostoc. Nostoc reproduces vegetatively by fragmentation method. Fragmentation, it is the most common method of vegetative reproduction. Here, the large old colonies break into a number of small fragments due to the mechanical forces. Later on, each fragment is developing into the new colony of nostoc, and by this way, the new colonies are formed. So this is the vegetative reproduction of nostoc. Then asexual reproduction. Nostoc reproduces asexually by formation of three structures, that is hormogones, achenids and heterocysts. We will see one by one. First of all, we will see hormogones. Hormogones, these are the small segments of the trichome consisting of few cells like we can see here in this diagram. Later on, they separate in the region of the heterocyst because of the poor links between the heterocyst and then the vegetative cells. Hormogones, they are formed due to the mechanical disturbances or due to the death and decay of the vegetative cells. These hormogones may develop within the colony or come out of the colony to form a new colony. Hormogones develop its own mucilaginous sheath and develop heterocyst either at one or both the ends. The cells divide vegetatively, forming new filaments of nostoc. Nostoc also reproduces asexually by formation of achenids. So this is the actual photograph of the achenid and this is the diagram which shows the achenids. Achenids, they are also known as arthrospores. Achenids are formed in few species of nostoc in unfavorable condition. They are always intercalary in position. That means they are not produced at the end of the trichome, but they are present in the middle region, and it is known as the intercalary in position. These heterocysts, they are thick-walled. They are slightly bigger than the vegetative cell. Achenids store large amount of the food material and so therefore they are bigger in size as compared to the vegetative cells of the nostoc. The shape of achenid may differ in different species of the nostoc. These achenids, they are formed singly or they are also produced in a group like we can see here. On return of favorable condition, they germinate to form new colonies of the nostoc. And now the third structure, that is heterocyst. So this is the diagram which shows heterocyst. Heterocysts are generally vestigial organ, but in a few species of nostoc, the heterocyst function as reproductive organ. The protoplast of the heterocyst divide and forming small hormogones. The wall of the heterocyst generally breaks at the polar region, liberating the hormogones. The hormogones develops into a new filament which later on forms a new colony of the nostoc. Heterocyst also produces endospores sometimes. These are small, rounded and with or without a thick wall. So with this we have completed vegetative as well as asexual reproduction of nostoc. Now we will study economic importance of nostoc. Nostoc colonies are rich in nitrogenous substances, so used as food in China as well as Brazil. So these are the photograph which shows that how nostoc is used as a food in China as well as Brazil. Nostoc is also capable of fixing atmospheric nitrogen and it is converted into nitrate as well as nitrite. it is made available to the plants. So it resulting into the increased growth of the plant and used as a biofertilizer. Nostoc colonies increase the nitrogenous content of the soil and increase the growth as well as the productivity of the plant. More beneficial to use in rice field. Third, very important use is due to its beneficial effects, it is also used for the reclamation of alkaline as well as the saline and barren soil. So this is the alkaline soil and it can be treated and its productivity can be increased due to the inoculation of Nostoc. So this is the economic importance of Nostoc. Lastly, we will study the systematic position of Nostoc. Its division is Cyanophyta because pigments are localized in the peripheral portion of the protoplast and not in the definite chromatophores. The pigments are chlorophyll A, carotenes, distinct xanthophylls, C-phycocyanin as well as C-phycoerythrin. Reserve food is cyanophycin starch and cyanophycin granules of the proteinaceous nature. Nucleus is prokaryotic type and absence of flagellated reproductive cells and complete absence of gametic union. Its class is Mixophyceae because this is the only one class and characters are same as we have seen when we have studied why it is included under division Cyanophyta. Its order is Oscillotoriales or Hormogoniales. Because cells are united in trichomes, there is formation of the heterocyst achenids or both, and reproduction is by formation of Hormogonia, so therefore the order is Hormogoniales. Its family is Nostocaceae because this is the single family and all the characters they are same like we have already studied earlier. And the genus is Nostoc. So this is the systematic position of Nostoc. Dear friends, with this we have completed Nostoc in detail. Thank you.